Enjoy the video. We're gonna teach you how to do the oil change on the zero turn. God bless you. It is important that when you first buy a zero turn, you must change the oil after the 5th hour of use. We're gonna let that drain there. And after that drains, okay, so now we're gonna take the oil filter out, right? What I advise you to do is put like a rag or something there because it'll drip. It's gonna drip. Because it removes metal shavings, prevents long-term damage, ensures proper lubrication, and is followed by manufacturer recommendation. OEM. It's the 12-05001. I like to put oil here since it's dry, right here. Then grab a little bit, put it on the seal. So hand tight is the way to do it. 11 mm. That won't go nowhere. Low. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe because the next one is going to be how to upgrade to the hour meter. Yes, sir. How to do the mulching kit. We're going to put mulching kit in the zero turn. Stay tuned because we're going to have some fun with the zero turn. We're going to upgrade a whole bunch of stuff, good stuff too, that you should do in your zero turn. God bless you guys.